Oh! Oh! I got him through the slit.
Nice. Wow.
Left side, left side. Yeah, they...
Found ammo somewhere. That's nice.
Careful, right side. Tons of snipers. Okay, that dude is bipoded up. He's just gonna... I keep hitting him, but he has meds, I think.
I just only got him because I think I got a suppression at the same time.
Oh my god.
Flash.
Solvin! I moved. How am I missing that? What? Yeah, I see you. Ow. Okay. Can my screen stop shaking? Please. And Android, how are you doing, dude? Good to see you. In the house, left side. One hit. Nice. Yeah, that's why I can't commit. I don't know how I'm missing my follow-up shots, but I am. Horse right side.
Wow.
He got off his horse accidentally. Where
Yeah,
is
that
this
is-
dude?
He's in the last hill on that side, on the left. Or the
have
last
lost an
building on the
Dead.
2 on that same spot.
Hang on, I'm reloading. Nice shots. You beauty. Horse coming in, crit hit. Right side.
Sniper on the far right.
Horse is after us, Karen.
Alright.
Enemy cavalry!
Hit.
You see it?
Hit. Another hit.
Grenades!
3 fucking hits, dude. 3 hits and
3
nothing.
guys just ran by down here.
We have taken objective butter.
Hold this angle if you can.
This is crazy.
Hold this, hold this, hold this. Snipers right side, B side. I'm getting constantly suppressed, so I can't. I'm missing.
I'm getting hit. Some kind of...
Left side, left side. That came from left. Yeah, we're. No